Fry red whole chilies on low heat. Before frying, remove the stems of the dried chilies. Taking the chilies out once they turn crisp. Now the garlic goes into fry. Still frying, waiting for that light golden color. Both chilies and garlic go into the mixer. Add a little oil if it is thick. Grind it well to make it fine paste. Chutney is ready, spicy, simple, full of aroma. Stored in a clean jar, it stays good for 2 to 3 months. Thank you for watching.